know.
Gotta find the guns.
I'm down to no pedo tube again.
Yeah.
That's the first thing that goes, you know.
So it turned left, didn't it? Okay. Let's
It
try.
needs a right rudder.
It needs a right rudder. I'll have a full right rudder on then to get that off.
Oh, right.
So obviously, I'll leave the gear down. I just want to get some film of it.
You hear it? Doesn't it?
Yeah. What is it?
No,
I'll bring it in a minute.
or the prop, I don't know.
I'll bring it in.
Oh, no, it's got the whoosh. It's gone now.
Is it the whoosh? Is it?
Yeah, it was a buzzing.
Oh, right, okay. This is very much a motor-on aeroplane to land, this is.
Yeah.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
That's a cracking aeroplane. Right.
I don't know why it's veering to the left.
I think it's just on the ground, actually, Laurie. No.
Before it's characteristics.
Yeah.
So you've got a few minutes on flight anyway, so you may as well.
Okay.
Should be.
I'm going to do another take-off, actually. Just
Yeah, take off this way.
yeah.
Towards yourself, actually.
Come on round. Oh, typical, isn't it?
Timer start.
Yeah, you've got to keep that on.
Yeah, got to keep the elevator on. So we've got a rough grass here as well. Just cleared it again then, didn't I?
Plus the grass is so much longer.
Yeah,
isn't
it is.
Sweet.
You've got a whole full elevator on
Yeah.
and full right rudder for takeoff. Actually, we haven't got much movement on the elevator anyway, which is adequate. It's got such a lovely sit, hasn't it?
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Got a lovely sit to it. In the turn, in the bank, they're beautiful. Turns well, left or right. We've got the gear down, by the way, because one of the legs is a bit iffy, so. I'll land before they come across that strip.
Well, say you've
Yeah,
got 2 minutes yet.
yeah, okay.
You may as well run the back.
All right,
May as well enjoy it.
right, okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
They're going up the long path.
Are they? I like when we can fly on our own, we can fly anyway.
Anywhere you want.
Yeah. Jacob. What a name for a dog. Doesn't that look good? This is my favourite fighter, this
I've
is.
put enough colour
Yeah.
on the bottom for you
Oh,
to
you have, I
see
know.
it.
But you know, even so, Laurie, at a distance, you can't see it.
Oh no, well you
Yeah.
can't see it.
No, can you? Are we all right for landing?
You're fine.
Yeah. No, they're not on the strip or anything, are they? No.
I don't know, he's watching us that
Is
time,
he?
so he might decide to
Yeah,
run at
okay.
us.
Just keep the elevator on when you land. Keep the elevator on.
Oh, as you decay your speed. Just
Yeah.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Oh, look at that for a landing.
Timer start.
Nothing wrong with that, was there?
Timer start.
Beautiful. I'd say it flies better now than it ever does before. It always happens though, doesn't it?
Timer stop.
What a machine. It's beautiful. Safety on. That's it. Trimmed out. Beautiful, that is. Trimmed out. Absolutely beautiful. Just the undercarriage we've got to sort out.
I've got some spare, mate.
Okay.
Put another one in.
Beautiful. Doesn't it breeze around?
Oh yeah. Nice.
That's a real hefty old shaft on that, isn't it?
Oh, it is. It's a big motor.
It's what you want, isn't it? It's essential to keep right rudder on, Laurie, otherwise it'll just drift. For some reason, you need all the right rudder you got on takeoff. And up elevator. And it'll take off itself then.
You see, that's hard left.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know why.
I don't know why either. It's strange. Once you get airborne, it just straightens itself out.
Yeah.